discuss very important topic: how to share your YouTube videos on your Facebook page, with using large thumbnail. So in this, we can discuss about that. Click for videos. Select your particular one video. Select your particular video. If share option below will be show you every video. Every video. If you share that video on your particular Facebook page, they showing for small thumbnail. I'll show you example. Select here, copy, share. Where? Facebook. Same way I'm showing for small thin and large thumbnail. I'm not using any kind of tools. Paste here. Select your page. In this, select your perfect YouTube channel page. Click this and post on your Facebook. Post on your Facebook. In this comment to here, now click for refresh. So the video how to upload on your particular site. They're showing for small thumbnail on your particular title. Coming to scroll up. You can check your option. So I will be showing for in this. We're showing for large thumbnail. So this will be posted on your particular YouTuber. Why they showing for large thumbnail is called in my particular video. Edit video. In this option call is go to Studio Classic. Option call is advanced setting. Here will be showing for allow will be this is called embedding. Allow will be called embedding option. They will be show option call is Facebook using for debugger. Facebook using for debugger. I'm using for Facebook using for debugger. So I'll using for simple option here. I select channel of select one video. Careful to listen. Copy. Share. Coming to Facebook. Paste it. Select my page. Select your page and post. Now check facebook.com/Rakesh. Yeah, what I'm showing for large thumbnail. Coming to this. Every video posting option will be completely different. come into small thumbnail, come into large thumbnail. So come into your scroller. We're showing for the total large thumbnail option. This call you can using by Facebook debugger option that always installed by particular Facebook application. Which one? developer.facebook.com/tool/debug/sharing. Is always sign up your option. This is a Facebook debugger tools. developer.facebook.com/tool/debug/sharing. It's a very important and particular YouTube channel sharing for on Facebook with using large thumbnail. Is that done? This is a perfect sharing video on Facebook with using large thumbnail using by Facebook debugger option. Any video not accepting simple step video admin panel. Any video not accepting the go to advanced settings. The go to advanced setting on particular video. The showing option call is the video is not debugging perfectly. Disable for allow embedding. Disable for allow embedding. Once copy this URL and click for debug. So they will be automatically accept. If you getting any errors, when sharing will be large thumbnail. Go to video advanced settings. Disable for allow embedding option. Copy this URL. Click for debug. So always remember and you keep it in mind. Every video sharing on YouTube to your Facebook using by large thumbnail. This will be very important particular channel. If you use any small thumbnail, you will be facing problem by your particular channel. I'll show you every video. See this one. What I'm showing for large thumbnail. If you're using for small thumbnail, what happened? Nobody can understand my particular videos. See this. So always using for large thumbnail. I do not using for small thumbnail. If you're using for small thumbnail, you can go for old videos that is using for small thumbnails. Is it clear? Any video will be sharing YouTube to Facebook with the large thumbnail. That is called Facebook debugger tools to sign up your account. Please note down.